Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made part one of this, how to select these objects. You can always, up near your pick tool is a freehand pick tool, and as long as you don't encompass the whole rectangle, you can use your freehand pick tool just to pick those rectangles or those ellipses, and you've got them. Now, another way to do it, you can, I'm going to get rid of this because when I control A, it's going to select everything. Matter of fact, so remember control A, I'm going to go back to my normal pick tool and just go ahead and delete this. Now I'm going to control A on the keyboard. And you see I've got something out there hidden. So control A on the keyboard and then hold down the shift key and select that item and fill it in. Now the other way you could do it, if you had a lot of them on the board, you can always go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects, and Edit Query, and go up to Shapes, go to Ellipses, okay, and then Find All, and then right or left click your mouse, and it's only going to pick the ellipses. So it did not do that. This is really helpful if you had, and I've done several videos on that. Let's make a bunch of rectangles or squares. Corel just recognizes them as rectangles no matter if they're perfect or not. So let's do the same thing now with the query and edit the query. And this time we're going to select rectangles. Okay, find all, and then fill them in with black or blue or whatever color you want. So I didn't change my ellipses. I just changed the rectangles with find and replace. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.